Hi, this is Cayman with S&B, and today I'm showing you our 35-gallon replacement tank, part number 10-3006. This tank is installed right here on the driver's side of a Transit 148. This fits on driver's sides for the Sprinters as well. We're going to kind of go over the dimensions and what the tank looks like and what our kit includes. I'll first start with probably the most important dimension on a tank like this that goes so far to the rear is the distance between the rear panel and the tank is 4.5 inches. The width of the tank is 13.5, and the height of the tank is 20. I'll pull the tank back real quick so you can see how it's designed. So that front of the tank right here, it stops right where the wheel well stops. So if you drew a straight line, it would stop right there. Most of the water is built up behind the wheel well. We'll reinstall it. The tank comes with straps as well. So these are the cutouts in the straps. In a situation like this where the strap doesn't end up kind of where you need it to be on the body panel, you could get some of this Home Depot, well, this is just Home Depot pre-punch. See, it actually lines up perfectly with the hole that's already in the panel there. And then it lines up almost perfectly with the hole that's in the panel here. And you could just use, in this situation, you have to buy a 3/8 inch bolt and nut to install into this pre-punch, because the bolts and the nuts, the bolts and the plus nuts that we provide you with are RM10, and the way that these work are we actually give you a plus nut activation tool. So basically, you'll drill your hole in your floor, or in this case, like in the rear, drill a hole in the body panel, put in your plus nut, put the plus nut activation tool over it. The longer included bolt will go all the way in. You'll hold this with an open-end wrench, tighten it up until your plus nut activates, then back out your bolt. Then use one of our shorter bolts to secure down your strap on the bottom, and then also on the top if it lines up with the body panel. The plus nuts the spin wells that we use on this tank are 1/2 inch on the bottom, 1.5 inch, then 1/2 inch here. We also have a 1.5 inch spin weld on the top. This is a 15-inch long KUS level sensor with a 1.5 inch male thread on the right here. And so in this situation, the tank is deeper, so an 18-inch long would work perfectly. It'd be right off the bottom of the tank. Other than that, I think that pretty much covers anything. If you guys have any questions, or if there's any other anything else you need to know about the tank, please give us a call at 909-675-1313. Thank you.